Hello, P7 here. So today I have this Spanish lock. This is the Ezcurra DS-10. This is an older version, as far as I know, of the Ezcurra DS-15. But interestingly, it's a bit harder to pick. It's one of those locks that have pins opposing directly on both sides. But unfortunately they didn't manage to get the proper tolerances to make it harder. So it's a fairly challenging lock, but not too much. Once you know the trick, you just follow the binding and that's it. So let's see if I can pick it. Okay, so we have the Ezcurra DS-10 here, and you can see there are some low lifts and some very high lifts, including at least one max lift here. We have pin stacks here on top and on the bottom here. So let's see. Supposedly the pins on top will be first, but some of them might only bind after the bottom ones. Here's two. There's 5. Three. Got the bottom 4. Bottom 5. One on top. 2 on the bottom. 3, a little click. Small click on 4 on top. Some of them drop a little bit, they're slightly tapered, probably from use. Here's 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 'Check the top. One, 3, and 4. Here we go. Now I can make it turn this part and then it will relock here. Then the key doesn't work, so we have to keep picking it. That's basically the same process. Oh, I got what was happening. This was crooked, so it was touching a couple pins in the back. That's why I couldn't feel anything there. So starting again, so it's better. No, yeah. Let's see how long it takes. One. Okay, here we go. This side is a bit harder. I don't know why. Yeah, but it looks like it. And then we got these pins here shooting out. I don't know exactly why, but they were not supposed to shoot out. It's just one of these. Let me see if I can show you. Key control things. Yeah, and it's for this part here. So it should work. It's it's going back but not forward for some reason. It's weird, yesterday I could do this. No, looks like we can't. Let's try the other way. And that's it. I don't think it's possible to do that, so let's see if I can go back to the original position. Now a bit faster than last time, hopefully. Okay, we go back to the beginning. So for some reason, didn't want to go all around like this, like straight inside. Okay, sorry about this. Just noticed that in the middle of gutting, the video stopped. So I finished gutting anyway. Just noticed I might have lost one of the small springs. I have jumped somewhere. I'll have to search for it later. But yeah, so this is basically the Ezcurra, and I separated here for the key pins and both sides, okay, and the drivers here. So this is the top driver. We are talking top if we are looking at it this way. So top drivers and bottom drivers on those chambers. Yeah, probably what happened was that one of the key pins got stuck there. That's probably what happened. I had jiggled it a little bit, maybe it would have came out of that place, but it's always a problem if this is in the door and someone is keeping something inside the plug. There's a chance that you push the keeping inside that hole and it's bye-bye, because it won't leave there. It will be kind of blocked, so you'd have to pick back like I did. Yeah, oh, here it is. It was under the plug. Found it. Yeah, this was the Ezcurra. Here's the plug. Both sides, same size of chambers. No other modifications. This is for the ball bearing. That gives the key control. Here it is. The key control is given by this space here. I haven't seen much difference between this key and other keys for the same lock, so I think the placing of this ball bearing is the same, so not too hard to make just a groove in the correct place. Not very effective, this key control, but yeah. So this is the Ezcurra DS-10. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.